CJ7, GM, Dana 60, Kingpin, military, 14 bolt rear end. It's going in soon. I need to figure out a pitman arm for to steer this big old beast. So what I did, this is the stock pitman arm. It goes to the CJ7. It's pretty weak. I heard these bend on the trail, so I'm gonna beef it up. I couldn't find anything online, and I did, but you know, they just look janky. So I'm just gonna build mine all beefed up. So what I did was I chopped it off. Now this piece right in there, I'm gonna go and weld fat bead on both sides, right around here. And then drill my tapered hole for the Chevy hole, and you know, I'm gonna shape it, make this look super sick. That's about it. That's a big old thick piece. Look how much thicker it is. So yeah, pitman arm, sick. All right, there it is. There's my pitman arm. It's badass, dude. Beast. Look at that. DIY. Just gonna paint it black, put some flair to it, call it a day. Oh yeah, this is 5/8, so I gotta ream this out to a 3/4 Chevy, I think. Yeah. Right on.